This is Precalculus Fall 2016 ACP Preview Problem 24. The soccer player kicks a ball at an angle. The height of the ball in feet varies with time and is given by the function h of t equals negative 16t squared plus 33t. This is kind of a classic elevation problem influenced by the acceleration due to the force of gravity. So anyway, this one here is really a great type of calculator problem. So we're going to enter this in the calculator and then just graph. And then the question is, what is the maximum height of the ball to the nearest foot? Now, in this type of question, that's one of two things you could be asked for usually. The height, the maximum height, or maybe the amount of time that it took the ball to reach maximum height. Or even perhaps how much time it took the ball to hit the ground after being kicked up in the air. In this case, we're going to be looking at the nearest foot, maximum height. And so we're going to try to maximize this function. And using a graphing calculator, we're going to put in a negative 16 x squared instead of t squared and plus 33x. And then if we graph this, this is what we get. Okay, so I guess the ball goes up at time 0, comes down about time equals 2 seconds. So we really have a choice in this. We can just do a graph trace from here. I'll do it one of two ways, each way, see which one you like best. If we go to menu, we can go to analyze graph, and we can go to, where is the graph trace? There it is, 5. It's right before me. So we go up here, and when we get to the very top, it said maximum briefly, and the maximum height we see here is 17 in 1.03 seconds. So 17 is our answer, and we go to our sheet here. So 17 feet. Maximum height to the nearest foot, well, that'll be plus 17. And here is 0, 1. And there's 17 right here. And that's what you should look like. You could put the 17 consecutive digits 1 and 7 any place in here and get full credit. You need not necessarily, if the number is positive like this, mark in the plus, but I just did it. Another way you can do this in the calculator, I'm going to get another page and add graph. Same thing, make 16x squared. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and same graph as before. I'm going to go to Window, Menu, Window Zoom, and Window Settings. Now we can go from X-min of 0 all the way up to, let's say, 3. I already saw that earlier. We'll go to a maximum height of, we'll go from 0 to, let's say, 30 feet for height, maximum height. Come down here to OK, press Enter. So this is what we get. To analyze graph, if we go to Menu, 6 Analyze Graph, we go to Maximum, says Lower Bound, question mark. We press Enter there at the lower, we go to Higher, and this is it. At 1.03 seconds, we get to a height of 17. Now, in past tests, I've seen students take that 1.03 as the answer. No, it is not. That is the amount of time. The height is dependent on time. So this is definitely our correct answer. I encourage you also to take a look at the supplementary problems 24A and 24B as well. I think one of these is asked for amount of second. That's 24B is height, and 24A I think is the time in seconds. So anyway, good luck, and thanks for viewing.